Hi guys, this is John from Meatristics University, and this is Cured Whole Muscle Meats 103, Curing Large Cuts. Curing large cuts of meat can be a challenge, as no matter how you do it, you're gonna have more concerns about the distribution of the cure. This is why when curing larger cuts of meat, an injection is the process that we generally recommend. If you're trying to brine or pickle something the size of a ham, you could run into an issue where the cure is going to gas out before it fully penetrates. Gassing out happens when the cure converts to gas and escapes the water before it's able to fully penetrate the meat. The problem with trying to cure a larger cut like a ham with just a pickle or a brine is that you're going to rely solely on osmosis, so the skin needs to allow the seasoning and cure and nitrite to pass through them to the center of the ham. If it does not penetrate all the way, you could end up with uncured section in the center, and it even could have like a greenish grayish color to it, very unappetizing and not safe to eat either. Now, injecting does offer several advantages over brining and pickling, especially when we're talking about large cuts of meat. The first is that you can get the cure deeply and evenly distributed in the meat right away, so you aren't wasting time waiting for the cure to penetrate the meat. The second is that you can control exactly how much of your solution, both water, seasoning, and cure, makes its way into the meat. If you need to inject 10% of your injection into a meat and you have a 10-pound cut of meat, you just need to inject 1 pound of seasoning and cure and whatever else you want to it, and you're done. Even if you inject, you still need to hold the product overnight in a 50% strength solution. This is going to allow everything to equalize within the meat and make sure that all areas are evenly cured. The best way to create a 50% strength solution is to measure the amount of solution you have left over from your injection and then just add that weight again in water. That way you have 50% strength solution. Or you could follow the initial mixing instructions and just add twice as much water or half as much cure as recommended. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatristics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatristics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.